If an opinion is of pressing importance, such as Brown versus Board of Education or Marbury versus Madison, do you feel yourself under particular obligation while writing a majority opinion or a dissent to make it comprehensible to a majority of Americans?
Have any of you read Marbury against Madison? You think it's comprehensible? Everyday Americans. I do work very hard on my opinions to make them as comprehensible as I can, recognizing that some of the technical issues that come before us will not be understood by a lay audience.
Women's rights have come a long way. However, our battle for equality is still far from over. What advice would you give to girls all over that would like to take the world by storm?
I would be very optimistic about the prospects for young women entering the legal profession. When I entered law school, women were about 2% of the lawyers in the country. There are no closed doors anymore. There's no branch of practice that's off limits to women. Yes, we haven't reached nirvana, but we're heading in the right direction.
Do you think that Supreme Court justices have a kind of responsibility to be activists and advocates for social justice in how they preside on the bench?
What is an activist judge? If you judge it by willingness to strike down laws passed by the political branches, then I would have to say I am probably the most restrained judge currently on the Supreme Court, because this, quote, conservative court has struck down as unconstitutional too many laws. So I would say if the activism means that the judge is trumping the political branches, being aggressive, what it comes down to is whose ox is being gored. If you don't like what the court is doing, you will call it activist. And if you do like it, you'll say that this is the court behaving the way a court should.